Hey everybody, Joy here. It is March. It was March yesterday when I made a video, but I said it was April. This is Monday, March 16, 2020. And I just made a fresh cuppa so I could talk to you, and maybe my brain will function properly if I dump a little decaf down my throat here. Hold on one second. All right. We have to have an exciting introduction, so here we go. Hip, hip, hooray! This is the day. We have winners all over the world and 3 in the USA. Yay! I'm excited. We have winners, and I'm getting ready to tell you who all of them are. But first I have to tell you the problem. Is there always a problem? There's always a problem. All right. We actually do not have a winner yet for Australia. It seems there was some kind of a glitch. I don't know. Somehow the distributor gave some people the wrong hashtag. I know Glenda gave you all the hashtag and I gave you all the hashtags, so you should have had the hashtag. But if you only got it from the distributor, evidently she used a different hashtag. So, I'm going to give you the rest of today, the rest of tonight, and in the morning, when I get out of bed, and I get in the shower, and I have enough coffee, I will choose a winner for Australia, okay? This is only for Australia. All the other countries have sufficient winners, and I'm getting ready to show you who they are. But first, let me show you this. This is the proper hashtag for Australia. If you made a pair of pants, if you took a picture, if you posted it on Instagram but used the wrong hashtag, please go back and add this hashtag to your photo in Instagram and make sure your picture goes to this hashtag, SFD Joy Pants AU. SFD Joy Pants AU. And then I will check tomorrow, like I said, and I will choose a winner for Australia, okay? Right now, let's get on with the show. Congratulations, Canada. This is the Canada winner. This is Cannon Girl 59, and she is the winner in Canada. Congratulations. The winner for the Surefit Designs Joy Pants So Long in South Africa is Joe Jugaode. Joe Jugaode, forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. Beautiful pair of pants. It's JO_JUGAODE. That is her Instagram name. The winner in the UK is this lovely lady named Lorraine Jersey Girl. Lorraine Jersey Girl. And she actually put 2 pictures of herself, but this is the number. We chose random numbers, and this is the number that won. So she made the black pants, so congratulations, Lorraine Jersey Girl. And this is 3rd prize, United States. Congratulations to, it looks like her name is Ma A Seamstress. Ma A Seamstress. MAASEAMSTRESS. Beautiful outfit, love the necklace, and the top and the pants. Congratulations. And here is the 2nd place winner for USA. 2nd place winner, congratulations. I think Shelling Elizabeth has won in one of Viv and my other challenges. So congratulations, Shelling Elizabeth. I think she had 2 entries too, but this is the number that won. And here is our #1 first place winner in the United States. And she made an absolutely gorgeous pair of slacks. They are so pretty. That is my color she's wearing. I think if she sent those to me, I'd fit right in them. Don't you love the creases in the pants? I sure do. So this is Woody's Baby Girl. Woody's Baby Girl, you are the first place winner of the $100 of Surefit Designs products. Hopefully we'll be seeing you at the next sew along using the dress kit. Congratulations. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did enjoy playing this game with you guys, and we're going to play a new one sometime in the future. Like I said yesterday, I'll let you know. We're going to do the Surefit Designs dress kit. It takes a lot of hours to do these things, and we'll just have to see how things go, okay? But congratulations to you sweet ladies, and I'll be back soon.